copy from the WhatsApp. Okay, so now 9th class problem. When a polynomial 2x cube plus 3x square plus ax plus b is divided by x minus 2 linear polynomial, then it leaves remainder 2. When the polynomial is divided by x minus 2, it leaves remainder 2. And also the same polynomial when it is divided by x plus 2, then it leaves remainder minus 2. Then find a and b. Here given one polynomial divided by two polynomials. When the given polynomial is divided by x minus 2, then the remainder is 2. Means here x minus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to 2. Then if it is p of x, p of 2 is equal to 2. And if it is p of x when it is divided by x plus 2, leaves remainder minus 2. X plus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to plus 2 transforms to minus 2. Then p of minus 2 is equal to minus 2. That is the meaning here. Remainder they only given. So here if we substitute 2, because x minus 2 is equal to 0, p of 2 is equal to 2 given, and plus 2 transforms that side, plus x plus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2. Then p of minus 2 is equal to minus 2. Then we get the two equations, and from that we have to find a and b values. Very very important problem here. So now let p of x is equal to 2x cube plus 3x square plus ax plus b is divided by x minus 2, leaves remainder 2, which implies p of here leaves here divided by x minus 2 means here x minus 2 is equal to 0, which implies x is equal to 2. Then in place of x we have to substitute 2, and the remainder is equal to 2. We have to equate to 2. Implies p of 2 is equal to 2. In place of x we are substituting 2, and the remainder is 2 now. That's why we are equating to 2, which implies, so in place of x we have to substitute 2 into 2 cube plus 3 into 2 square plus a into 2 plus b is equal to 2, which implies 2 cube is 8, 8 into 2 is 16, 2 square 4, 4 3 is 12, 2a into 2, 2a plus b is equal to 2, which implies here 16 plus 12, 28. 28 comes this side and what happens? Minus 28. So 2a plus b is equal to here this side 2. 16 plus 12, 28. Plus 28 comes this side minus 28, which implies 2a plus b is equal to minus 26. This is equation 1. For the given polynomial, when it is divided by the first linear polynomial, it is divided 2. And at the same time, also p of x is equal to 2x cube, same polynomial, 3x square plus ax plus b is divided by, instead of words I am writing the symbol divided by, is divided by here x plus 2. One more linear quantity divided by x plus 2, leaves remainder minus 2, which implies, so here x plus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2. So in place of x we have to substitute minus 2, and we have to equate to minus 2 because remainder is minus 2. P of minus 2 is equal to 2 into minus 2 cube plus 3 into minus 2 square plus a into minus 2 plus b is equal to minus 2. So one more step I will take here. Leaves remainder minus 2, which implies p of minus 2 is equal to minus 2. In place of x I am substituting minus 2, and we have to equate to minus 2. So which implies so in place of x we have to substitute minus 2, and we have to equate to minus 2. Minus 2 cube, minus 2 power of odd number minus. So minus 2 cube is 8 into 2, 16 plus minus 2 square, even number, plus 2 square 4, minus 2 square 4 because of even number, 4 into 3, 12. A into minus 2a plus b is equal to minus 2, which implies, so here minus 16 plus 12, 4. So here minus 2a plus b is equal equal to here minus 2. Minus 16 plus 12 minus 4. Minus 4 comes inside plus 4. Plus 4. Now what happens here? Minus 2a plus b. Minus 2a plus b is equal to 4 minus 2 2. This is equation 2. Already we got equation 1. What is equation 1? 2a plus b. Here I am writing 2a plus b is equal to minus 26. Equation 1. So we have to solve here. Here minus, here plus. So adding here. When opposite signs are there, we can add. Same signs are there, means we have to subtract. When we are adding signs, we will not change. Minus 2a plus 2a gets cancelled. B plus b, 2b. 2 minus 26 minus 24. Minus 24. 2 ones, 2 minus 2 12s. So minus is there. So here b is equal to minus 12. So substituting any one of the equation. Let us take first equation. 2a plus b is equal to minus 26. In first equation, we will substitute b value. 2a, b is minus 12 is equal to minus 26. Minus 12 is equal to minus 26. So 2a is equal to minus 26 plus 12. Minus 12 transform plus 12. 2a is equal to here 14. So 6 minus 2, 4. So 14 here. So now 2 ones, 2 sevens. A is equal to minus 7. So here minus 12 comes inside plus 12. So here minus 14 minus 26 plus 12 minus 14 and a is equal to 2 ones 2 sevens minus 8. So a is equal to minus 7 and b is equal to minus 12. A is equal to minus 7 and b is equal to minus 12. Okay, children, now so first part of here this chapter is chapter 2 polynomials and factorization. Polynomials completed. We are moving to second concept, that is the second topic in this chapter, factorization. Factorization of a polynomial. Already learned in the 7th and 8th class here. Additionally here one more concept is there in factorization, that is factor theorem. What is this factor theorem means? It depends upon the remainder theorem only here. If p of x is a polynomial of degree n greater than or equal to 1 and where a is a real number, then here two conditions are there, two concepts are there in this. This is general here. P of x is a polynomial of degree greater than 1 and a belongs to real number. And then here two concepts are there in this way. We have two concepts in factorization and factor theorem. This proof later we will learn that. Just I am explaining about the definition of statement of this factor theorem. X minus a is a factor. When x minus a becomes the factor of p of x, means if the p of a is equal to 0. What is p of a? Remainder. If the remainder p of a is equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor. This is one. If x minus a is a factor of p of x, then p of a is equal to 0. This is converse. When x minus a becomes factor of the given polynomial, if the remainder is 0, if the remainder p of a is equal to 0. If the remainder p of a is equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor. If x minus a is a factor, then the remainder p of a is equal to 0. Mutual, like converse. Here, remainder 0 means x minus a is a factor. If x minus a is a factor means then the remainder is what? 0. That is the concept here. Based on that, we are going to solve the problem here. Example 13. Find the value of k if 2x minus 3 is a factor of 2x cube minus 9x square plus x plus k. Here first we find the value of x here. So let 2x minus 3 is equal to 0 implies 2x is equal to minus 3 transform plus 3, which implies x is equal to 3 by 2. X is equal to 3 by 2. So now let p of x is equal to 2x cube minus 9x square plus x plus k. So now here what is the factor here? According to the factor theorem, if x minus 2x minus 3, if 2x minus 3 is a factor of p of x, which implies then p of x value is how much here? 3 by 2. P of 3 by 2 is equal to 0 because the remainder is 0. If x minus a is a factor, then p of a is equal to 0. Here a is what? Here x value in place of x we are substituting 3 by 2. Then p of a is equal to 0. 2x minus 3 is a factor of p of x. What is p of x given here? 2x cube minus 9x square plus x plus k. Let's say we have taken here p of x here, then p of 3 by 2 is equal to 0. So in place of x we have to substitute the 3 by 2 in place of x and we have to equal to 0. So now here which implies in place of x we are substituting 3 by 2. 2 into 3 by 2 whole cube minus 9 into 3 by 2 whole square plus 3 by 2 plus k, we have to equal to 0. So which implies 2 into 3 cube 27, 27 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27 by 2 cube 8 minus 9 into 3 square 9, 9 by 2 square 4 plus 3 by 2 plus k is equal to 0. Here we cancel here 2 ones 2 fours. So here what left here? 27 by 4. 27 by 4, 9 9 81 by 4 minus 81 by 4 plus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 plus k is equal to 0. So now LCM becomes 4 4 to LCM is what? 4. Same denominator and LCM, numerator as it is. Same denominator and LCM, numerator as it is. Plus here divide the LCM with the denominator. 2 2s 4. 2 into 3 6. Plus no denominator, multiply with the LCM. 4 into k 4k is equal to 0. When 4 transform that side it becomes 0. So here 27, these both are positive. 27 plus 7, 27 plus 6 33. 33 minus 81 plus 4k plus 4k is equal to 4 into 0 0, which implies so 81 33 minus 81 11 minus 3 8. Here 7 minus 3 4 minus 48 minus 48 plus 4k is equal to 0, which implies 4k is equal to minus 48 comes this side plus 48. So 4 ones 4 twos. So which implies k is equal to 12. Awesome. K is equal to 12. So here once again I am repeating here. So here in place of x we are substituting what? 3 by 2. P of 3 by 2 is equal to 0. When x minus is a factor, P of a is equal to 0. When we equated here x value, what we got here? X value here 3 by 2. Here x value 3 by 2. In place of x we are substituting. In place of x we are substituting 3 by 2. P of 3 by 2 is equal to 0. By substituting 3 by 2 in this, we got this simplification. Should be very careful in the LCM. Here LCM is 4. So when the denominator and LCM are same, so numerator we have to take. Now since denominator is different, 2 2 4, 2 into 3 6. No denominator, multiply with the LCM. Then 4 when transform here 0. 37 minus 81 minus 48 plus 4k is equal to 0. 4k minus 48 comes this side plus 48. So 4 ones 4 plus, so k is equal to 12.